As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Genesis E-325, both liquid propane grills. Right off the bat, there's a huge price difference. The Q1200 is around $259, and the E-325 is a hefty $849.
Yeah, that's a considerable jump. What do you get for the extra cash?
Well, size is a big factor. The Q1200 has a cooking area of just 189 square inches, perfect for a small family or tailgating. It only has one burner, pushing out 8,500 BTUs.
So, really portable then. And what about the Genesis?
The Genesis E-325 boasts a massive 641 square inches of cooking space and has 3 pure blue burners. It also has an extra large sear zone for getting those perfect steak marks.
Okay, so the Genesis is for serious grilling and bigger gatherings. What about the materials? Are they comparable?
The Q1200 has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body, keeping it lightweight at 30 pounds. The Genesis E-325 has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates too, but it is a much heavier grill at 188 pounds, with a cast iron frame.
Makes sense given the size difference. Any cool features that set them apart?
The Q1200 has folding side tables and electronic ignition. It's designed for easy portability. The Genesis E-325 has flavorizer bars to catch drippings and add flavor, plus a grease management system. And it's compatible with Weber crafted grillware, so you can use pizza stones and griddles.
Right, so the Genesis is more of a complete outdoor kitchen setup. And what about fuel?
The Q1200 uses disposable propane cylinders, making it super convenient for camping. The Genesis E-325 uses a standard LP tank. It also looks like the Genesis E-325 requires assembly, whereas the Q1200 comes fully assembled.
So to recap, Q1200 is compact, portable, and budget-friendly, great for small spaces and on-the-go grilling. The Genesis E-325 is larger, more powerful, and feature-rich, designed for serious grill masters and entertaining.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs and budget and how much grilling you plan on doing. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.